Within this tutorial, we covered the basics of applying Equity Hub insights to your trading. Now, let's make sure your dashboard view is best customized for the way you trade. We've touched on how to use your own watch lists and scanners, and now we want to make sure you know how to filter the columns in the bottom data table to focus on what matters most to you. By clicking on Filters, you can choose which of the many columns you want to further investigate. Once you choose a field, you can then select a range or specific value to create your own scanner for trade setups that match your style. Alternatively, you can click on the columns feature to hide what you don't need. By slimming down your table to your preferred columns and filtering for values that matter the most to you, you can quickly find your preferred trade ideas. And again, if you don't want to see a larger list of names, click on the eye icon to see just your watch list. Lastly, if you do analysis outside of SpotGammas, you can export today's activity as a CSV or Excel file of today's activity.